Hello! In today's video, I want to show you how to grow and harvest your own cucumber seeds. So this guy is ready to harvest the seeds. But before we get into this stage, it is super important that when you start growing your cucumbers and you want to harvest your own seeds, you grow the cucumbers from heirloom seeds. Heirloom seeds are open pollinated seeds. That's how they grow in nature. And only heirloom seeds will ensure you get good crop and you can grow good cucumbers in the future from your harvested seeds. It is not enough when you buy organic seeds, because organically grown seeds are not necessarily grown from heirloom seeds. So you start with the heirloom seeds, you grow your cucumbers, and when the cucumbers start to grow and you start to harvest your cucumbers, leave three or four cucumbers to grow into this stage. Yeah, and you let it grow on the vine and you harvest the others as usual. The cucumber is ready when the string attached to the cucumber, when it's getting brown or dry. So it means it's done. And this is usually the stage when you already also done with harvesting your cucumbers. So only these guys are hanging around and ripening. Now the next stage is simply to open the cucumber. And we can see there are beautiful seeds ready to harvest. So now I take the spoon and just get it out of the cucumber. There are plenty of seeds, plenty to share with your friends and family. So we want to get all of them. The main reason why we do more one cucumber is because of the cross-pollination later on. You will get more fruit when you plant seeds the next season. Plant seeds from a few different cucumbers rather than just one. So you ensure even more fruit and more healthy plants. And now I will show you also, and I hope we can see it here. This is the indication that the seeds are also ready. They are really nice and plump. Like you can see, the seeds are full inside. When you harvest the cucumber too early and you want to harvest the seeds, you will see that the seeds are basically flat, so they empty. So that's why we have to wait that long as well. Okay, now the next step. Oh wait, I have a few more here. I don't want to waste any. I will add some water. And this is also one more tip. When you stir it and the not viable seeds will always get into the top of water. And we can see here, I hope really you can see it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds swimming on the top. This tells me they are not viable. Oh, this one also is empty. You can see there is nothing in there. And 3 more. And the rest is perfectly fine. The next step is to get rid of the water And also I will rinse it under the running water and rub a little bit to get rid of the sticky stuff. Now I get a bit of a baking paper because we have to dry the seeds, and if we dry the seeds, maybe you have done it before on a paper towel, for example, you will know that the paper towel stays on the seeds. It will basically stick into the seeds, and it's a really pain in the bum to remove it, to remove the paper off the seeds. And here, so you can still see the little slimy stuff sticky, and a little bit here as well, but it doesn't matter. As I said, I usually leave it for a couple of hours in water, but because I just want to make the video quickly, as usually, lack of time, that will be perfectly fine as well. So I distribute the seeds as good as I can. Oh, they're beautiful. They're nice and plump and big. I will have, by the way, the seeds for sale as well in my online store before spring. Okay. Oh, look, this guy stayed there and here. Okay. So, and now, even though you think I will remember, sometimes, okay, the cucumber seeds are basically obvious for most of us, but sometimes when I get different type of seeds, which I'm drying at the same time, it is super important to put the name on the paper and also the date. So, and now the seeds are going into a good ventilated space. I have a especially dedicated room for this kind of stuff. So I put it in there and I watch it closely. When it's very humid where you are, it's very good to, the room has to be well ventilated so they don't start to rot or get any mold. And if it's not the case, if it's a little bit too humid, you can also put the fan on to ensure the seeds will dry nicely. After the seeds are perfectly dry, they have to be completely dry, I will put them in a paper bag. The paper bag goes into foil bag, and I store the seeds in the fridge to ensure they will stay fresh for a very, very long time. I have seeds which are already a few years old, and they are perfectly fine when they are stored in the fridge. I have a few more cucumbers to do. I will do it right now, but you don't have to watch me when I'm doing the next ones because it's exactly the same. So I hope I could help you with this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the questions in the comment section below. Alright guys, take care and I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. And after just 3 days, in this case here, the seeds are ready to be stored. Nothing sticks to the paper thanks to the baking paper. So yeah, very happy with my harvest.